I love the Hylands Kids cold and cough medicine for two main reasons. Number one, my kids love it. So they love the taste of it. They will take it readily. They don't complain about it. Number two, it works. So it's a natural remedy. It's not your typical medicine. I was looking for more of a natural solution, and this is a great one. I notice a difference when they take it. So if you're looking for a great, effective medicine, natural medicine, I would say, this one from Hylands Kids is a great option.